Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all pickle enthusiasts and adventurous foodies. Today we are taking a delicious trip to Goa to explore a unique and tangy pickle, Goan Tendli Pickle. This pickle features the vibrant and slightly sweet ivy gourd, also known as Tendli, creating a flavor profile that's both tangy and refreshingly different. Get ready for an explosion of flavor, tangy, sweet and with a hint of sweetness. This pickle is a taste bud adventure that perfectly complements any meal. So ditch the boring store-bought pickles and embark on a flavorful Goan adventure with Tendli Pickle. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also share my recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 60 Tendlis, washed and wiped nicely. Then cut the Tendlis into two halves and slice each half in 3 pieces to exactly how it is shown, something like this. Do the same to all the other Tendlis. When all are done, then add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. Then take a baking tray and simply place the Tendlis on baking tray and bake it at 40 degrees for 3 hours, or you can also sun dry it for about 5 to 6 hours. Then in a hot pan add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and then simply dry roast it until it is nice and light brown, something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take a mixer jar, add 15 dry Kashmiri red chilies, add 4 dry red chilies, 12 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger. Then add the dry roasted seeds which was previously made and add 1.5 cup Goan vinegar. Then blend this to a paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add 1 cup oil, and then add the masala paste which was previously made. Then cook this for about 10 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 80 grams jaggery, and then cook this until jaggery is nicely melted. Then add 3 tablespoons sugar. This will give that nice caramel color to the pickle. Then cook this for another 5 minutes. Then add the baked and dried Tendlis. And then cook this for about 40 to 45 minutes on a medium to low flame. Keep mixing every after few minutes so that it won't burn. And there you have it guys, a jar of tangy and delicious Goan Tendli Pickle, ready to add a burst of flavor to your meals. Look at that vibrant color and that glistening oil, a true testament to the pickling magic. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. This pickle adds a delightful punch to any dish, from rice and curries to a simple cheese sandwich. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting pickle making adventures like this one. If you prefer a milder pickle, then simply adjust the amount of chilies to your taste. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra layer of authenticity, you can use mustard oil instead of vegetable oil. Now go forth and experiment with this pickling your own vegetables. This Goan Tendli Pickle recipe is a great place to start. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. And do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these at home. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.